Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a little experiment today. I've been meaning to try this Waverly chalked paint out. I've seen some of my fellow YouTubers using it, and I've always used the Rustoleum chalked paint. So I have this $3 thrifted shelf that I'm going to do a little experiment. So if you want to see the comparison between the Waverly chalk paint and the Rustoleum chalk paint, then stick around. I'm curious as well. So stick around, let's see how this turns out. All right, first let's remove the tags. Okay guys, as I said, I have been wanting to try this Waverly chalk paint out since I've seen so many people on YouTube use it for small projects. And I've been seeing great coverage with it. You know, the videos I see, I haven't seen anybody complain about it at all. I personally use Rustoleum chalked paint, and I've used this on tons of projects. So I really don't have anything else to compare it to. So, but I wanted to have something else. I want to have some options. And the Waverly I got from Walmart. The Rustoleum I've got from, you can get this from Lowe's. And I also got a can from Ace Hardware, which is the neighborhood hardware store. And you can buy this size, this 30 fluid ounces, for about $17. This is from Walmart, and it's $5.97 for this size. So I guess if you compare the two in price, if they sold a smaller one, you can't get a small can of this Rustoleum. This is as small as it comes. But if I had to, I guess if I had to compare them, $5.97, if they sold a smaller one, the prices would be, it looks like the prices would be comparable for an 8 ounce, for an 8 ounce, 8 ounces of paint. You know what I'm saying, right? Anyway, what I'm concerned about is consistency. I'm going to see how this shows up consistency-wise on this shelf, and let's compare that. I've never been able to get away with one coat, just generally speaking, in using these chalk paints, but I'm looking for consistency. There were a ton of colors at Walmart in the Waverly. So let's compare. This is white, and this is linen white. I'm just going to use my sponge brush, and I'm going to paint a little of this right out of the can to see what kind of consistency I'm getting. All right, and this is in no way scientific. It's just that I want to have some other options. You know, I don't always want to buy a huge can like this and pay 17 bucks when I can buy a small container like this. And they even had smaller ones, I think, at Walmart. If I could buy a small one and do some jobs, then that's what I want to do. See if I can. Oh, this is, I think we may have something. Do you guys see this? Oh my God. Oh, wait. Oh, Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Oh, come on. Oh, are you looking at this? Do you see the difference? This is so much thicker. I don't even need to go on. Oh my God. Is it me or what is it? I'm shocked. Wait. Matte finish, no prep. Are these even the same? I'm shocked. I am really, really shocked. I'm shocked. I don't think we need to go any further. This is went on so much better than my Rustoleum. Do you see this, guys? This is the Rustoleum. Are you getting this? Look at that. Rustoleum. Right out of the container, bam, it just went on with such coverage that I'm speechless. I'm shocked. Okay, let me get off. I can't even talk. I'm going to finish this piece in Waverly. I've got to run some errands and this has got to dry. I got to get to the post office. This has got to dry and I have to finish this, but I know what I'll be finishing it with Waverly. Oh my God. OMG. Oh my God. Okay guys, I'll be back.